The main aim is to make money. Why must you learn it the hard way? I wish I have this knowledge, this understanding since. I wouldn't have even been struggling for years now. And I'm giving you this for free. For free. Guys, what is trading? What is market? Market is a place where buyers and sellers meet and make transaction. That is all. And that is what the candlestick is all telling you, and information is speaking to you. Why do you have to be analyzing? You mustn't be an analyst. The market doesn't pay analysts. It pays only those that understand the concept of marketing, concept of trading, buying and selling. Simple. When the market is buying, wait for somebody to sell, then you buy. If the market is selling, wait for somebody for a buyer, then you sell. As simple as that. Let me show you an example. This is the second example I'm showing again. Make it easy. Bro, you mustn't blow an account.
Now look at this example. This is Euro USD. This is today. This trade is today. Now who can tell me what is the market doing? You can see the market was making high highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows. And at this point the market switched from uptrend. Now you can see market broke down toward downtrend. It makes a low, it makes a high. What do you do? Once you see the market here, look at where the market is today. You can see the market sold. The market sold. And remember, I told you this. When the market sells, you are not allowed to be selling. Wait for buyers and then you buy. And how do I tell you the presence of buyers? When you see a break of structure like this, price push down, you wait for price to give you a candle that will break a previous candle's high and close. Then you anticipate the next candle to sell. Now what happened? Market breaks this high and it starts selling. And now what do we see here? After a price make this red candle, it sold here. The next green candle it broke the high of this red candle. After closing, the next candle dropped. So what do you want to see? You want to see another candle's high being broken and closed green, then you sell. Simple. So let's see how it plays. Now look at this. You can see the price started retracing, give a green candle. This is not a green candle for you to start selling because it did not break any candles high. That is it. So what happened? The next candle broke this green candle that closed here. It broke up and closed green. After you see it green, these are buyers. Now it is time to sell. You just sell. Forget about any concept. This is enough. Sell. So what do? You go to the lower time frame and look for your entry and sell. Let's go to the 1 hour time frame. Now this is the 1 hour time frame. You can see price came back here and retraced. What do you want to see? You want to see price start showing you what? A trend, just like it did here. It was going up and now it's pushed down, retraced, and it's coming down. What you want to see? You want to see a structure, price showing that it's going down. Then you sell. Now look at this. What is it? Price came here, it could not go up, it broke down, it retraced, it broke down again. You can see before price starts selling, it made a green candle that broke this previous red candles here, and it started selling. So after this red candle, what do you want to see? You want to see the same thing. At least two candles. One should retrace and the second one should break the high and sell. So let's see. Now look at this. The first candle closed green. I told you this is not a sign to start of buyers. Wait for the next candle to break the high of this candle and close. After it closed, it shows you that buyers are present. Sell. When you see buyers, you sell. What do you do after this green candle close? You wait for the next candle to show you selling. Look at the next candle, what? It engulfed. Immediately you start selling. What do? Take your sell immediately here. You place your sell here, put your stop loss here at this side of this green candle here. Where will you target? You target anywhere around this lows here. You target this lows here. You can see, and let's see how it played out. Perfect, simple. Don't complicate it. Follow, like, subscribe. Thanks.